Hey guys, thanks for joining me in another video. So today I bought more gardening stuff. I bought low seedling trays, this bag of soil, an arched trellis for the tomatoes, and some more seeds. So today I'll be creating a little nursery in using the seedling trays that I showed you earlier. So I'm just going to open the bag of soil and put it into the seedling tray. And then after that I'll put in the seeds and then put more soil on top of that and water it. Date of the nursery, it's been 4 days and the marigold has started growing. Also the beets, well, these are the ones that are showing so far. Also see something coming up right here. I think that's the corn and the okra that started to show. Part of the plant update today, I got this pepper from one of my friends and this is how it's doing so far.